what happened, why did you contact me, and what was your fear, etc., and where we are to get to, today. Because I mean, your progress is good, man, and I'm happy with your progress because you're pain free right now. You're back to work. You know what I mean?
Eventually, after a deadlift session that I had, I ended up feeling that something wasn't right. I ended up going home, and that night I went to go watch a movie, and that's when the first time I actually had, for some reason, I think it was instinct or impulse to
Yeah.
like sit up straight. Hey, I didn't want to slouch how I usually do because a lot of times I slouch, but I felt the impulse to sit up straight, and I did that. And I did that over. I did that those over those few days and over a month. But after I went to a chiro to see what they would tell me, and they didn't tell me that. They should have told me that I should have went to get an MRI, but they didn't. They just told me that they thought I was fine, and then
Mm-hmm.
I was not content with that response because my body was telling me something else. And then that's when I decided to get an MRI because I didn't have a primary care at the time,
Of
and so I
course.
got an MRI and I waited and I waited to the end of the week for that, and I got the news on Friday that I was did have disc herniations, L4, L5, and then all L1, L2, L3, L4, all disc bulge.
Yeah.
Um,
L3, L4, yeah, L5, S1. Yep.
Yep. And that week I was still working, and I didn't really have excruciating pain. I had probably like level 4 uncomfort, level 3 uncomfort,
Mm-hmm.
to where I was still working. And then when I got the news, that's when I decided that I probably should take a week off of absolutely everything. And
Mm-hmm.
so I that was on my own. I made the decision, and I took that week off. And then after that week, I felt ridiculously good. I felt like nothing had ever happened to me. No tingliness, no back pain at night. I didn't have heat in my lower back.
Yep.
But then after I went back to work that week, at the end of the week, I ended up re-aggravating it when I was working in a weird position for a long period of time, and I re-aggravated my lower back because it was just recently hurt.
Yep.
And it wasn't that I won't ever be able to do bend over again, but it's that in that particular time I needed not to be in that
Yeah, your
vulnerable position.
body was very protective, I suppose. Yep.
After that week, I ended up taking probably that whole month off of work. That whole month off of work. And
Yeah.
then that's when I was also trying to do some exercises on my own from YouTube. And
Yeah.
I did many of those, and they seemed to help, but I still wasn't very confident because I didn't feel like I was doing them very structuredly.
Exactly.
And so that's when I reached out to you, and I had and I decided to do an appointment for January.
What do you find about this program helpful?
Yeah, so the program, I really like the program because it had a mobility. It had you also try to do cardio for me, doing cardio and trying to document all those parameters as
Yep.
well as pain, as well as stress level, because the stress level and your mental will also affect your body.
Hugely.
Um,
Yep. Yeah, I get you. Um, and
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 and so sticking on that was what created more confidence and everyday things. Right now I'm at I'd say uncomfort level of like point 0.5, almost non-existent. It's been like slowly. I've had some days where I felt very bad some days along the path, but consistently been going down,
yep, yep, yep.
down. And I think and I think going back to work and moving around, I decided not to go back into construction because I really was afraid that because that's heavy work. I was afraid
Absolutely.
that I would go back to phase one. So I decided just I'm gonna readapt, go work somewhere different. And I'm not used to it, but I gotta
Yep.
do something different and for a different situation that I'm in. And
Absolutely.
so I really do think and that one day I'll be able to do all that I used to do.
Would you think this program can be a good thing for people like yourself who get injured with their back?
Yes, yes. So I would recommend it someone like myself because you need to have something that is always the same, consistent in your day-to-day life, because if you do so many different things, you're not going to know what to compare it to. But if you do this program from the first day, you can compare it how you felt and how your confidence level was from the first week to the 6th week.
Yep.
And
yep,
then
yep.
and you have something to where you can give yourself peace of knowing that you are making some sort of progress.